quick intro today for the gig vlog. You're not going to see my face. I'm just going to run through the setup. It is dinner time right now. I did have time to film this earlier. I just didn't. But anyway, check out the sticker light right there on the laptop. Tabletop Facade, because the venue provides the table, and decided to bring this to make it match, make it easy. We have to use these speakers now. These are the K8s, the old generation, because of the neighbors have been complaining about the noise lately. Not because of me, but just the way it is. So, got to use these. They're supplied in-house, so we're using a pair of those. And no subwoofer. But we do have uplighting around the room. We do have some par lights on the beams again. Check out the last gig log if you didn't see how those look. Cake table's right over there. We got some pin spots to light up the bar to make it easier for them to see when the lights go out later. And behind the booth, same as usual, Torque 2.0 running on the MacBook Pro. We got DJControl Inpulse 500 Gold Edition 19,000 yard. No, Akai LPD8, Status Audio CV1. Sweet full fan. This is USB-C rechargeable. It is wonderful, just powerful enough, and it is great. Decibel reader, because of the noise, yet again. Freestyler for the lighting. And back with the XENYX QX602, just because I felt like it. And because I have longer 1/4 inch to XLR cables than I do regular XLRs and having to connect them. So we got a speaker there and another one in the corner. Let's get on to it.
So again, ladies and gentlemen. And now it is time to open up the dance, so let's have a good time and party. Let's get on that dance floor. It's time to turn up.
turned on the TV. And that's about the time she walked away from me. Nobody loves you when you're 23.
That's right, it's time to turn up. Drop this, I want to see everybody. pleasure. Thank you so much for coming out. Let's hear it one more time for your newlyweds.